Improve your English.
My birthday. My birthday is always a special day for me, and this year was no different. I woke up early feeling excited and full of anticipation for what the day would bring. As I got ready, I reflected on the past year and all the experiences I had, both good and bad. I went downstairs to find my family already up and busy preparing for my special day. My mom had made my favorite breakfast, and my dad had decorated the living room with balloons and streamers. It was a small gesture, but it meant the world to me. My phone started buzzing with birthday wishes from my friends and extended family. It was always nice to feel remembered and loved, even from those who were far away. My heart swelled with gratitude for all the well wishes. Later in the day, my best friend surprised me with a visit. She had come over with a beautiful bouquet of flowers and a delicious cake. We spent the day hanging out, reminiscing about old times and making new memories. In the evening, my family and I went out to dinner at a fancy restaurant. We had a great time together, enjoying the delicious food and each other's company. My parents gifted me a new watch, which I had been eyeing for months. I felt so grateful for their thoughtfulness. As the day came to an end, I couldn't help but feel overwhelmed with joy and appreciation. Another year had passed and I had grown older, but I felt blessed to have a wonderful family and friends who loved me. But my birthday wasn't just about me. It was also a reminder to cherish the people in my life and to be grateful for all the experiences, both good and bad. I knew that the next year would bring new challenges, but I felt ready to face them head on with the love and support of those closest to me. As I blew out the candles on my cake, I made a silent wish, hoping that the next year would be even better than the last. And with my loved ones by my side, I knew that anything was possible.
Listen and repeat.
My birthday. My birthday. My birthday is always a special day for me. My birthday is always a special day for me.
The word special refers to something that is unique, distinctive, or particular. It can be used to describe something that is exceptional or outstanding, or something that is set apart from others in some way.
Feeling excited and full of anticipation for what the day would bring. Feeling excited and full of anticipation for what the day would bring.
The word anticipation refers to the act of looking forward to something with excitement, eagerness, or expectation. It can be a feeling of excitement or enthusiasm about something that is about to happen or something that is expected to happen in the future.
I reflected on the past year and all the experiences I had. I reflected on the past year and all the experiences I had.
The phrase, reflected on, refers to the act of thinking deeply and carefully about a particular experience, situation, or event in order to gain insight or understanding. The word experiences refers to the events, situations, and activities that a person has encountered throughout their life.
I went downstairs to find my family already up and busy preparing for my special day. I went downstairs to find my family already up and busy preparing for my special day.
The word downstairs refers to the lower level or floor of a building, typically located beneath the main level or floor. The word preparing refers to the act of getting ready or making arrangements for something that is going to happen.
My mom had made my favorite breakfast. My mom had made my favorite breakfast.
The word breakfast refers to the first meal of the day, typically eaten in the morning after waking up from sleep.
And my dad had decorated the living room with balloons and streamers. And my dad had decorated the living room with balloons and streamers.
The word decorated refers to something that has been adorned or embellished with decorative elements. It can be used to describe objects or spaces that have been made more visually appealing. The word streamers typically refers to long, narrow strips of paper, fabric, or other material that are used for decoration, often hung in festive or celebratory settings.
It was a small gesture. It was a small gesture.
The word gesture refers to a physical movement or action that is used to express a thought, feeling, or idea.
But it meant the world to me. But it meant the world to me.
The word meant is the past tense of the verb mean. Mean can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to something being intended or intended to express a particular idea or meaning.
My phone started buzzing with birthday wishes from my friends and extended family. My phone started buzzing with birthday wishes from my friends and extended family.
One common meaning of buzzing is to describe a sound or noise that is like a continuous, low humming or buzzing sound, such as the sound of a bee or an electric appliance. The word extended means something that is longer than usual or that has been stretched out in length. It can refer to physical objects or abstract concepts.
Even from those who were far away. Even from those who were far away.
The phrase far away is used to describe something that is a great distance from the speaker or from a specific point of reference.
My heart swelled with gratitude for all the well wishes. My heart swelled with gratitude for all the well wishes.
The word swelled is the past tense of the verb swell, which means to become larger in size, volume, or intensity. When something swells, it expands or bulges outward. The word gratitude refers to the state of being thankful or appreciative of something or someone.
She had come over with a beautiful bouquet of flowers and a delicious cake. She had come over with a beautiful bouquet of flowers and a delicious cake.
The word bouquet refers to a group of flowers that are arranged in an attractive and artistic way. The word delicious is typically used to describe food or drink that is pleasing or enjoyable to the taste.
We spent the day hanging out. We spent the day hanging out.
The term hanging out is typically used to describe spending casual or leisure time with friends or acquaintances, often in an informal or relaxed setting. It can involve engaging in various activities, such as chatting, playing games, watching movies or sports, or simply enjoying each other's company.
Reminiscing about old times and making new memories. Reminiscing about old times and making new memories.
The word reminiscing refers to the act of recalling or remembering past experiences or events, often with a sense of nostalgia or fondness. It involves reflecting on moments from the past and recalling specific details, feelings, or emotions associated with those moments.
In the evening, my family and I went out to dinner at a fancy restaurant. In the evening, my family and I went out to dinner at a fancy restaurant.
Meaning of fancy is to have an elaborate or ornate appearance, as in a fancy dress or a fancy car. In this sense, fancy often implies a sense of luxury or extravagance.
My parents gifted me a new watch. My parents gifted me a new watch.
The word gifted refers to a watch that has been given as a present to someone.
I couldn't help but feel overwhelmed with joy and appreciation. I couldn't help but feel overwhelmed with joy and appreciation.
The word appreciation refers to the recognition or acknowledgement of the value, worth, or significance of something or someone. It can refer to a positive attitude or feeling of admiration, gratitude, or respect towards something or someone.
But I felt blessed to have a wonderful family and friends who loved me. But I felt blessed to have a wonderful family and friends who loved me.
The word bless can have several meanings, but generally it refers to bestowing or receiving divine favor, or expressing good wishes or praise. Bless is a versatile word that can convey a sense of divine favor, good wishes, or approval.
It was also a reminder to cherish the people in my life. It was also a reminder to cherish the people in my life.
Cherish means to hold something dear, to value it greatly, or to treat it with love and care. It is often used in the context of relationships, to describe the affection and regard that one person has for another.
As I blew out the candles on my cake. As I blew out the candles on my cake.
One common meaning of blew out is to extinguish a flame or fire by blowing on it, either intentionally or accidentally.
I made a silent wish. I made a silent wish.
The phrase silent wish is often used to describe a desire or hope that someone has but does not express aloud.
Good, now answer the questions.
How did the narrator feel on her birthday? How did the narrator celebrate her birthday with her best friend? What gift did the narrator receive from her parents?